not sure what else there can be done. I'm sorry, I truly am.
Listen, you've got to give me a chance. Stupid
I
piece of
have
never
your
working.
final payments for 3 prescriptions, and we can't keep covering it anymore. There's nothing that can be done, and the meeting is set.
I'm sorry. Can you please repeat that, sir?
Have a good day.
Hello?
So listen, man, I'm just gonna be straight with you, all right? Because you definitely deserve that after everything that you have been through.
I'm sorry, can you speak up?
Yeah, Colt, you are in a really tough situation. And based off of this, and if we don't do something about it soon, I don't know how much longer you might be able to hear.
How about that grant thing? Any luck on that? I mean, my insurance won't be able to cover anything else.
I know. And with everything that's going on right now, and with everything that might happen in the future, I think that's the only path that's available for you. Right now. Okay, Cole, look. I'm not exactly supposed to share this freely, but since we've been together for a while, I will let you know. And I'm gonna preface that you shouldn't get your hopes up, but the grand finalization is sometime this week. However, you're not the only one who's asking. And depending on who they pick, it's gonna be a first come, first served basis for the Neo Hi-Fi set of hearing aids. I cannot stress that enough. Once someone claims them and once they run out, they're gone. Then you will be left with your insurance, and well, we both know what that will be like. Either way, Colt, just be aware, it's a really, really sticky situation. I don't really know how else to say it.
Yeah.
So, be prepared for the worst, but let's hope for the best. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there anything else that I can do for you today? I wish I could give you better news, Colt.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah. I mean, okay.
I'm really, really sorry, Colt.
It's fine. All right. Well, thanks anyways, Doc.
Yeah, sure thing, bud.
VUA 23's Jabari Pruitt was at the surprise giveaway. He joins us live from the newsroom. Jabari, I absolutely love these stories. There were smiles, tears, and of course, lots of hugs.
That's right. Tamika, this grandmother from Holt, always pay it forward by helping others. Well, today.
Well, I almost forgot to tell you I'm going to be in town for today and tomorrow thanks to a work assignment. I was wondering if maybe we could grab some coffee or go get a bite to eat. I'm dying to actually see that cute face I've been talking to. Hey, Alexis. Yeah. No. Maybe instead we could go later, but fuck. Sorry, my family is, they're not, no. I just don't feel comfortable. I won't be able to hear you. What the hell are you doing? Hey, I just want to apologize for my delayed response. I just had an extremely busy evening. I have a ton of personal crap I have to sort through. You'd still love to meet, and if you'll have me, let's say Dumont Cafe at 6 o'clock. I hope that... where was I? Okay. I hope that you're not disappointed. I'm not exactly like everyone else. You're kidding me.
Hello, Mr. Williams. This is Dr. Terry calling to inform you that we have some good news.
You say you have good news.
Yes, sir. We had a surprise shipment that came in this morning with
Wait,
the
came
white
in?
hearing aids. I'm sure
I
that...
thought that...
Yes, we are just as thrilled as you are. You got approved for the grant.
Goodness, that's amazing. Do I come to you? Do I make an appointment? Do you make the appointment?
Yes, Mr. Williams, we can get right on that. How does 6 o'clock sound?
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I can't tell you how much this means to me.
All right, well, I'll see you in the office later. Have a good evening. Remember, try and be here early so you don't get left out.
Awesome, I can't wait to see you. I don't think I'll be disappointed. How could I be? OMG, I can't wait. See you at 6.